For years, the Christian community in Orissa has faced persistent and often unsubstantiated allegations of forceful and fraudulent religious conversions. These accusations, frequently amplified by certain groups and media outlets, paint a picture far removed from the reality experienced by the state's Christian minority. While the Constitution of India guarantees the freedom to practice and propagate one's religion, this right is often overshadowed by suspicion and mistrust in the context of religious conversions. The reality on the ground is that the Christian community in Orissa, comprising a small percentage of the state's population, primarily focuses on worship, community service, education, and healthcare. Their institutions, often established decades ago, serve people from all backgrounds, irrespective of their faith. Yet, allegations of coercive conversions continue to surface, often based on flimsy evidence or misinterpretations of charitable work. The narrative being propagated about mass, forceful conversions by Christians in Orissa is simply untrue. Our faith emphasizes love, service, and respect for all individuals. Any act of coercion or fraud in religious matters goes against the very core of our beliefs. What we do is share our faith through our lives, through our service to the community, through our educational institutions and hospitals that are open to everyone. When people, of their own volition and conviction, choose to embrace Christianity, it is a matter of their personal faith journey, protected by the Constitution. To label every act of outreach or every instance of conversion as forced is not only inaccurate but deeply damaging to the social fabric of our state. Dr. Pallab Lima's words echo the sentiments of many Christians in Orissa who feel unfairly targeted by these allegations. They point to the lack of concrete evidence in most cases and highlight the peaceful coexistence that often prevails between different religious communities in the state. While isolated incidents of genuine wrongdoing should always be investigated and punished according to the law, the widespread portrayal of Christians in Orissa as engaged in systematic forced conversions is a dangerous generalization. It ignores the decades of positive contributions made by the community in education, healthcare, and social service. It also risks inciting prejudice and discrimination against a vulnerable minority. We believe in dialogue and understanding. We are open to scrutiny and accountability. However, we urge those who level these accusations to do so responsibly, with verifiable evidence, and without resorting to broad generalizations that demonize an entire community. Peace and harmony in Orissa depend on mutual respect and a commitment to truth. The issue of religious conversion is complex and sensitive. However, it is crucial to distinguish between genuine grievances and baseless accusations.